What do we got, Shanket?
550 on E85, 15 pounds, K24, K20, and a 62mm turbo.
Okay.
And some other.
All right. So you got the Frankenstein K24, K20. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's Sunday. I'm about to head over to my buddy Josh's house. He's the one with the silver Evo 9. We're going to be doing an HLA regulator on his car today. He's doing a couple other things, so we're just trying to chop down little by little here and there. So let's go ahead and head on out. All right, just pulled up to Josh's house. He's got an Evo 9.
What up, man?
What's up, Josh? What do we got going on?
Chilling. Nah, we're gonna go pick up some new wheels. Got some new shoes for the Evo. So,
Oh shit, what are you getting?
some RPFO ones. They're gold. You know, kind of got a good deal on them. So,
Hell yeah.
see what they look like on the car.
Hell yeah.
Gonna have to redo the suspension. So, right now we're on 17s by 8.5s. We're gonna go to 18s by 9-inch wide.
Okay.
We're gonna be doing putting the Kiggly on. Just a little simple install, real quick.
All right.
So
All
we'll
right.
be doing that here in a little bit.
Good deal. We got it all closed up because it's opened up.
Yeah, I got to close up. It's open up. You know, redoing the vent. And then I got the valve cover off right now. We're gonna be powder coating that later on.
Still haven't decided on a color yet?
Yeah, I still haven't decided on the color yet. I'm thinking about going silver, but I don't know. We'll see. We're gonna look at some different powders and see what we can do.
Heck yeah.
Oh man, I just found it. Okay. I'm just trying to go to ready, but nice. Yeah, my new 3-inch upper. 3-inch upper? Yeah, I have that Van Fabrications 3-inch upper. Trying to get Tim to buy it from me because he got a 2.5. I'm like, hey, you're gonna make all this power. You're gonna need it flush. I just showed you. Yeah. I want to see what they're gonna look like. All right. Don't worry about that. You sure? Yeah. Yeah, don't fit. Like I said, don't fit flush.
Let's check it out. What do you got going on?
Right now, just checking out, fitting everything, make sure I have all the components I needed for my build. Just finished ordering the time belt, just the little maintenance that I need for it, new plugs, new gaskets. This is a 4064 long rod, 2.4 liter with a Kia head, fully built, with GSCs, cams. Ready to throw in and get ready for Texas 2K. Nothing real special on the 4064 block. It's just pretty much all you have to do, just balance shaft deletes and pretty much put everything on the Evo head, and you have to get the AM cam gears on them off the Evo, and you just gotta adjust the cam gears about negative 3 degrees each, and then you should be good on the timing.
Okay. Good deal.
And then after that, I should be pretty much putting everything else in. I got the super dampener on for it. My injectors, I'm going with the FIC 2150s. Should be plenty of power. The Magnus fuel system on it, and possibly maybe upgrading to the Magnus mechanical fuel pump.
Right on. How much horsepower are you looking for?
Without nitrous, probably about like 1100. With nitrous, about 1300. The motor alone's built for 13 plus.
There you go.
So, I mean, I'm just steadily trying to get everything putting back in, and just the small brake kit. Just put the T case back in it. run slicks and everything, and should be getting tuned next month. That's
Awesome.
gonna be something.
Where are you gonna get it tuned at?
I talked to Alan from Cranky Evo from CP Motorsports. He was telling me, you know, his tuner is a real fair guy. I've seen where they tuned the 1300 horsepower Evo on their dyno, and it's proven with the turbo, which is 6870, and you know, it's showing that they can do 1300 horsepower. That's what I want.
All right, everybody's just coming out. Got Shankette here. What do we got, Shankette?
550 on E85, 15 pounds, K24, K20, and a 62 millimeter turbo.
Okay.
And some other.
All right. So you got the Frankenstein K24, K20. Damn. The Sidewinder.
And KLM with the 60 mil wastegate.
The 60 mil.
60.
Damn. A big dog back there.
2.5 inch outlet. Jackson?
Damn.
Yeah, it's a big ass wastegate.
That is a ginormous wastegate.
And it's still not enough to control the boost. I should have done twin 44s or twin 38s. But yeah, it's already in there. Not taking it back out.
Looks good. All right, got the valve cover off. It's actually working on stripping it all down. We're gonna be powder coating it. We're gonna do that a little bit later. We need to change out that regulator, factory regulator. We're gonna go to the Kiggly HLA Regulator. That one's gonna give us 15 PSI limited in the head, and we'll be able to keep the oil down in the pan where we need it. At least that's what everybody always says, right? What do you think, Josh? Can knock this out?
Yeah. I'll knock it out real quick.
All right, let's do it. Got to keep it clean, huh?
Like, yeah. Alright, man. Just gonna take this off real quick. Break it loose.
10 millimeter.
10 millimeter. Come on, where is it? Nice smooth seal. Nice and clean.
Nice and clean. All right, so you got a new regulator. You got a new plate. What is that plate? That's where it seals.
Yeah, I got the plate in there, as y'all guys can see. So that's what makes it seal. You don't need to use the gasket or OEM gasket or anything. You know, it's machined to fit on there perfectly.
Okay, so as long as there's no imperfections in your casting, you should be good, and it seals perfect, huh?
Yeah.
All right.
It's pretty much that simple, man. It's pretty simple install.
We're gonna torque this thing down.
Yeah, we're gonna torque this thing down. They say 8 foot-pounds is what it says.
Okay, 8 foot-pounds. All right, well, Josh is torquing that down. I'm gonna check out his valve cover. He says it's ready to be powder coated, so that looks pretty good. I don't see anything in there. Oh, there's a little spot. I might be able to knock that out real quick. But yeah, we'll give this thing a good degreasing. We should be able to mask it off and powder coat it. Just gotta let him pick out the color. All right, there you go, guys. HLA regulator install. Just took a couple minutes there, maybe 3 minutes. Till next time. Looking forward to seeing this guy back on the road.